So you're working on a project and you have to have the perfect footage, but it's just too blurry to use. CapCut Online has a free solution that can save your footage in a few seconds. It doubles the resolution of your video, so you can get that extra push. Step 1. Open CapCut.com. In Magic Tools, find Video Upscaler, and let's get started. This tool is a game changer for enhancing phone videos, screen recordings, and even old home videos from vintage camcorders. It'll boost the footage up to 2 times the original resolution, so you've got more freedom when shooting and editing. First, find and upload the footage you want to optimize, and click Upscale. You can upload directly from your device or select footage from the cloud.
Whoa!
What a difference! Now that the footage has been restored, you can use it as if it were high-res from the beginning. Click See Original to compare the original and new versions. Click Edit More and you will enter the CapCut Online editor. Choose some music you like from the audio library, add text, and even use stickers and effects to spice it up. CapCut Online allows you to elevate your visuals and make every frame count. Thanks for watching! If you like this series, make sure to subscribe to the CapCut YouTube channel and click to watch more.